Welcome back everybody, hope you're all doing well. So it's been a long time, but we need to discuss this and I owe you all an apology. That is coming up. Today we're going to talk about Applinked, the warnings of Applinked, the Applinked stupid amounts of flags in VirusTotal on Applinked, and how we can install a safe version of Applinked, all on one video guys. If you are new to the channel, do remember, hit subscribe. Do check out the rest of the channel. We've got tons of videos for streaming, whether it's movies, TV apps, streaming news, all the tech, the apps, everything around streaming, all on one channel. So do hit subscribe to Doc Squiffy and we'll show you what we're doing. So, today, Applinked. If you don't know what Applinked is a file linked replacement where you can download loads of apps. You can make your own stores to download apps, whether official, unofficial, all depends on what store you want to make for yourself or other people make for you to use to install on your Firestick, your Android devices. But the latest version is flagging up with 15 now different viruses or different virus vendors are flagging the app as dangerous with Trojans, malware in it, and this is all something we're obviously concerned about. We do not want to use an app like this on our device, as simple as. So currently, what is our option guys? Okay, what is our option? So as far as we know, Inside for Android, brilliant developer, he stopped making it because he didn't have time for it. It takes a lot of work and you don't earn any money from apps like this. They're free, they have no adverts in. He took a lot of time from his family to bring you this app. And he has passed it over to new owners. It's about as much information as we have, guys, okay? The real confirmed information. But as we see again here, Applinked on your Firestick, the latest version, even on VirusTotal on the Firestick itself, flags up with 15 warnings, and it has an X next to it. Okay, so the file size of the app has gone from 3 megabytes to about 30 megabytes, so there's clearly a lot more information in it from these new owners. And from what I'm saying is we are going to stop using it, guys. Okay, I'm going to stop using it, and this is where the apology comes in. I've been on holiday since this latest version came out. We put up the version, we linked to the version, and I went away. I had no access to my website, I couldn't change it for you guys, and I had no access to actually check what was going on. But I've been monitoring your comments, and I've got back into my house about an hour ago. I got the suitcases out, and that's it. I'm filming, I'm checking, I got on the websites, and I'm not happy with it, guys. I'm not happy with how this works, I'm not happy with how this looks. It's got a red cross. As I've always said for you guys, if it has a red cross on your device, get rid of it. Okay, yes, we have some false positives, but they very rarely give you 15 false positives. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm going to delete VirusTotal, and what we're going to do, we're going to roll back to the version 1.0.9. Okay, so version I think it's 1.10 or 1.10 or 1.0.11, whatever the latest version you probably have, check with your VirusTotal is flagging. So I'm going to remove mine. You will need to roll back, you will need to remove the version, okay, under our installed applications. So we will go down to Applinked. So whatever device you want to remove it on, go and get rid of it. As long as you are on, here we go, the version 1.10, delete it, guys, okay? We're going to uninstall, okay? It's gone off our device. Our device, I don't know, it could be false positive, guys, but that many, I'm not leaving it on there. It's gone. Simple as that. And what we're going to do, we're going to go to my website and we're going to download version 1.0.9, which in VirusTotal has no flags. Okay, that was the latest version we had, pre all whatever's happened here. Okay, and it still works, but you need to know how to make it work. So I'm going to show you that as well. So do still keep watching, even if you have the older version already. So we're going to demonstrate on a Firestick for you. Android device, very similar to install. So on the Firestick, we need to go to the downloader app. If you do not have the downloader app, you need to go to find, search, type in here downloader. You'll find it there. You'll click it. You either get the option to install it or to open it. Do not open it yet and wait for me. If you've just installed it, you then go across to your settings. If I'm going a little bit too fast, it's because I need to get this information out to you guys. Plus, I'm in a bit of a rush, I've got to unpack, and it's just what I do. If I'm too fast, just pause the video as we go. So, we go to settings, we go to My Fire TV, developer options, ADB debugging on, install unknown apps. We're going to scroll down to downloader, and you're going to turn it on, okay? turn it on. This needs to be turned on for any app you install apps from, okay? So when you do install the new Applinked, you need to turn it on for that as well. We then go back to the downloader app we've just downloaded. If you can't find it, you can just go to find again. Downloader. Right, in here we're going to go to my website. So this is where, if you're on an Android device, you just use your web browser on your Android device, okay? The link is directly under the video, so if you want to test it beforehand on your phone, go to docsquiffy.com/downloads. It's directly under the video, but if you're lucky enough to be using a firestick, you can type in 75726. This code only works on downloader app, not any web browser, just a downloader app. This will now go to my website. This is a prime time for you to give me a comment underneath, guys. Hit that thumbs up button. Let me know how you find this. And just let me know if you are a subscriber and how you've been doing. I haven't been around for nearly 2 weeks. Longest I've had away from you guys in a long time. Right, we're going to scroll down. You will see at the top, new updates, new APKs, Applinked is there. File link replacement. We can just click it. Then we're going to scroll down. And you scroll down and click download, okay? Again, it's very important if you've got the latest version that you removed it, okay? You must have removed the other version. Right, now, behind my head, we click the install button. And then we click done. As you see, that was extremely quick, guys, okay? Because it's only a 3 megabyte file, okay? We then click delete, as we no longer need to keep that file, and delete. That app is now installed for you. This is where the tricky part comes. The tricky part comes in now. Well, not tricky, but you need to remember this. Here, you hit your 4 squares, go find Applinked. At the bottom, open it up. That will open up for us now. Okay, and it's telling us to update. Click cancel. Not that tricky, but do not update it, guys, until we know what's going on. I'm going to look more into it and see if I can find out what's going on. But until then, just cancel it. So install the version from my site. We're going to say thanks to Fire TV Sticks on this one. She realised that the old version still works, so thank you very much to Tanya over there. Great video she did as well, so do check her out. So here you can still add a store, as you normally would. And once you've added a store, you go to your save stores to open your stores, okay? So, as a demonstration, there is 7777. Click next. You hit submit. That's your store. And then you can go to save stores, select your store, and you can open it, guys, okay? Just a demonstration. Any other stores you might be interested in, there'll be a link underneath to find some other stores as well, and let me know how you get on. What we will find now, Virus Total, it is much prettier looking. We run another scan. Boom. What we also remember, guys, if you are interested, we've got 2 great VPNs linked directly underneath to keep you safe online. Your safety online is very important to us. Let's find Applinked. Applinked. There we go. Detected 0. All safe. Happy again for you guys. So underneath, 2 great VPNs for you guys, okay? We've got IP Vanish, which is on a great offer at the minute. You currently have an offer of $3.20 a month. By the time you're watching this video, I may have linked up an even cheaper price, so do check that out. Or even IP Secret VPN, a company we're slowly doing a little bit of work with. They've got a 7-day free trial, but actually only $2.92 a month. It's one of the cheapest VPNs out there, and it works well on all devices for you. Brilliant. I've been Doc Squiffy. I hope that's helped you out. I hope you're not worrying anymore. Do remember to share it, guys. Very important to share this video. Hit that thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.